Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on the LinkedIn app when using your PC with the new update. Whether you've just moved to a new city, relocated for work, or simply want your profile to reflect your current place, updating your location is quick and easy. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which represents your profile. Click on it to open your account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a menu with several different categories to manage your account. What you'll want to do next is head over to Account Preferences. This section gives you access to important parts of your LinkedIn profile. Now, within Account Preferences, look for the section called Profile Information. Under this, you'll find an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside, you'll see editable fields for your name, your location, and your industry. To update your location, scroll to the Location section. Here, you can type in your new city, region, or country, depending on what you'd like to display. Make sure the information is correct, so your professional connections can recognize your current place. After updating the details, scroll down and click Save. This step is important because it ensures that your new location is officially updated on your profile. Without saving, your changes won't be applied, and that's it. Your location on LinkedIn has now been updated using the new version of the app on PC. By keeping your profile current, you make it easier for colleagues, employers, and networking opportunities to find you in the right area. If you just moved to a new city or want to align your profile with your career goals, this simple update makes a big impact. Thanks for watching.